I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to add your bank account to PayPal for withdrawals, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once you're logged in, find the Wallet option in the top menu. Click on it to view your current payment methods. Step 3. Click on Link a Bank. In the Wallet section, look for the option that says Link a Bank Account. Click on it to start the process of adding your bank. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Fill in the required information about your bank, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to double check for any typos, as errors can cause delays. A common mistake is entering the wrong routing number, which can lead to a failed connection. Step 5. Confirm your bank account. After entering your details, PayPal will send 2 small deposits to your bank account. Check your bank statement for these amounts and return to PayPal to confirm. Now you're all set to withdraw funds to your bank account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy banking!